graduates, I give you the power to practice and serve your communities as community health volunteers.
Ukiwa tunataka kuwa na referral system sawasawa, lazima tuanze hapa. Ni hawa jamaa ambao wata collect data kutoka kila familia na wakiingiza data huko katika zahanati, tutapata information ya kutosha kuwa na electronic health records na kila mtu, ama sivyo?
So receiving quality healthcare is a right, it's not a favor. Na ni mujibu wetu kama viongozi tuweze kuwapa wananchi healthcare nzuri.
In addition to health being better, we must all realize that health is the foundation of every other development. If you are a sick student, you cannot learn. If you are a sick teacher, you cannot teach. If you are a sick farmer, you cannot produce food. If you are a sick road worker, you cannot, whatever work you are doing, you need to be healthy.